ladies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. The holidays are rapidly approaching. Have you got all of the people on your shopping list shopped for already? I know if you're like me, you're probably stressing a little bit and wondering, crap, what am I gonna get everybody? It can be so confusing. The malls are just crazy this time of year. Let's not forget going to the post office and sending the packages. What a hassle. So I'm so excited to share with you guys something I recently found and I'm just totally in love with. It makes gift shopping of any kind, holidays, birthdays, anything, super easy, hassle-free, and it's also a great eco-friendly way to shop too.
An iPhone app called Card Snacks.
This awesome online app where you can go create a personalized, fun, super cute e-card and then attach a gift to it. A gift card to it. So they have over 225 gift cards for all interests and ages. You can easily attach it to this cute animated e-card and voila, you're done with shopping. It's really amazing. The cards are great. You can create your own personal message. You can do it either through voice message, text. You can also personalize it with photos and videos using your own or some that they have on hand. Just awesome. Really, really easy. Super fun to do. And like I said, you can schedule it for later as well. So really great. With office parties, Secret Santas, all those fun things, events that we have coming up, this is a great way to gift people easily. Let's not forget when someone gives you that surprise gift and then you haven't got them anything. Well, this is so easy. You can just sneak away to your phone, go to Card Snacks, hurry and just send that card with the gift card and voila, you're done and they don't know any better.
The Card Snacks app is very easy to use, very user-friendly. You can scroll through for many different occasions to make your personalized e-card and gift card. Here I chose a holiday gift card. Once in, you can write your own personal message or even do a voice message. You can also add a photo or video to your card. You can add music as well to your card. And also pick gift cards from over 225. See, there's a huge selection for all ages. Anyone who has different likes, you're going to be able to find a great gift card here for them, and you can add it to your e-card and select the amount. You can also send the e-card without a gift card if you want. There's no need, but you can add it in really easily to your e-card to be sent via email or text to your recipient.
Awesome. I totally love this. You can send it instantly via email or text, or like I said, schedule it for later, which is also really awesome. It's not just for holidays, but you can use it for birthdays, graduation, thank you, anniversary, any event, any occasion that you want. You can even just send an e-card for fun and a gift card to, someone that you love, maybe just to say, I love you, I'm thinking of you, to help brighten their day as well. You also don't have to send a gift card if you want. You can just use this site for fun e-cards as well. So really great, lots of options, and I love it that it's eco-friendly. You're not wasting paper. And for me, I'm gonna do this because I don't have to then brave the malls and the post office. It's time saving for me, hassle-free, easy, easy, easy. The app is super easy. It takes 2 seconds to learn. You get 1 free card a day, or you can also sign up for unlimited cards for $2.99 a month or $19.99 a year. So very easy. You can use the free feature if you want, or the paid option, which I will be using because for me, I forget birthdays. So my plan is at the beginning of this year, I'm gonna go through my calendar, go and set up e-cards and gift cards for all the birthdays on my list, schedule them to be delivered on that person's birthday, and just forget about it. Super excited about that because I do tend to forget birthdays. So this is a great option for me to help me remember. Right now, Card Snacks is only available for iPhone or iPad, but it will be coming to Android soon. You can go to their site, cardsnacks.com, and sign up, and you'll be the first to be able to try it on the Android. So be sure to check them out there as well.
Here's a couple more cards I made in just minutes with Card Snacks.
Happy birthday, sis!
So I love Card Snacks. I've had such a great time using it. I love that it can just be delivered when I want, or I can use it instantly. I can get all my shopping done in one place and hassle-free, easy, and then save money not having to send regular cards in the mail with stamps either. So love, love, love this. Be sure to check them out, you guys. You can check them out at cardsnacks.com. Find the app in the Apple Store, again, coming to Android soon. And yeah, bring some joy to the people on your Christmas list, holidays list this season with a fun e-card and gift cards, and enjoy shopping. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please be sure to sign up for free, awesome weekly content. And if you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.